Hello everyone, welcome back to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and this is the continuation of the India Through Map series of videos that we are dealing with. And today's video is about islands, and this is the part 3 of the video. So if you haven't watched the previous set of videos on islands, please go back and visit them. So the next video is the Barren Island. As the name suggests, this island has no human population and it stays true to its name. So if you know about the various geographical features of volcanic regions, you must have known what caldera is. If you don't know what caldera is, please open your geography textbook and try to understand about what caldera is. There is a 2 kilometer wide caldera on the top of this mountain in this island, which has the only active volcano of India and entire South Asia region. So these are the important points. This area has the only active volcano. There is a 2 kilometer wide caldera. There is no human population in this region. So this forms an volcanic arc formed at the margin of tectonic plates. The next island that we're talking about is the Landfall Island, which is the northern part of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is the northernmost point actually. So it is separated from the Coco Island of Myanmar by the Coco Channel. This is also an important point. We cannot say that there is no human population in this region. Tourism does exist here, but the exposure to the public is very limited. So this is one of the most secluded points in the entire country of India. The next island that we're talking about is the North Andaman Island, and this island has the highest peak of the Andaman and Nicobar region. It is called the Saddle Peak. So its northern tip is called Cape Price, and geologically it is a part of the Arkanuma extension. So as we know that after Purvanchal there is this Arkanuma extension alongside Myanmar, and this set of islands are considered to be an extension of the Arkanuma extension. So one of the most important towns in this area is Diglipur, and this area is famous for its orange cultivation. After Nagpur, this North Andaman orange is considered to be very good variety of oranges. So as we have seen in the previous slides, Andaman and Nicobar Islands continuously form a series of islands. So we have the Northern Andaman, the Middle Andaman and the South Andaman. Now we have already discussed about the northern part of the Andaman Islands. Now we will be talking about the Middle Andaman. So this is the largest island of India. This is the first important point that you have to know. Obviously it's between North Andaman and South Andaman. One significant point that you have to remember with respect to this is the Jarva people. Jarva people are considered to be one of the most primitive tribal groups, and they are recognized as particularly vulnerable tribal groups in our country. So this again is a geologically a part of Arkanuma extension. In this region, fishing and agriculture is considered to be an important economic activity, and we have various towns which are important like Rangat, Belly Ground and Mayabandar. So we talked about the Northern Andaman, we talked about the Middle Andaman, now we are talking about the Southern Andaman. So this is the third largest after Middle and North. The largest one is Middle Andaman, the second largest is Northern Andaman, and third one is South Andaman. So it is in this region you will find the capital of Port Blair. So this is more or less less mountainous and has more plains region, and therefore it is the reason why this region has been chosen by the Britishers as the settlement area. So this is the area which has the most significant population of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let us try to understand this question. Barren Island hosts the Saddle Peak, the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This statement is false because it is not the Barren Island but it is the Northern Andaman. The second point is Hope Island is the northernmost point of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Again, this statement is false because Hope Island is in Andhra Pradesh. The northernmost point of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the Landfall Island. Therefore, both the statements are false and the answer is option D. Now, please pause the video and answer this question. Post your answer in the comment box below along with an explanation. That's it for this video. Thank you.